Hello, my name is Katrina Butler, founder and CEO of So Far, So Close. We are dedicated to empowering survivors of domestic violence through our flagship program, Rediscover You. This program provides immediate safety solutions for individuals and children, helping them escape abusive situations and begin their journey to healing. We're also excited to collaborate with Alicia at I See My Baby to embrace the whole process of motherhood and the precious lives of children. Thank you for connecting with us. We're here to help you rediscover your identity, power within, and purpose. For more information, please reach out to us at 678-673-3009 or visit us on our website at www.sofarsoclose.org.